Welcome back to task number 3. In the previous task, we created our welcome message and the menu section. In this task, we will be building the book a test drive section. Now, for this course to be beneficial to you, I want you to create a chatbot for your original business. You might have an online store or you might have a restaurant. The outline will remain the same no matter what business you are in. Sales are important to every single business. Leads are important to every single business. So please follow me, but please create a chatbot for your original business and actually make this project beneficial to you. So let's build the book a test drive section. Now, if you're a restaurant owner, you can create a place and order section. Or if you have an online store, you can also create a place and order section instead of book a test drive. But since we are creating this project for an automobile dealer, I'm going to create this book a test drive section. So anyway in the wall, you can right click and you can choose text plus button. So the message is going to be select a model to continue. So in the project files, I've added few images for you, images of Suzuki car. So we are going to use those images. So please click on add content and click on gallery. So we can add an image over here. So we are going to add few more galleries. So click on this button over here and one more. Let's drag it over here. So as you can see, we have three images over here now. So now we are going to add image. Click on add image, and in the project files, I've added three vehicles and the images for you. The first is Baleno, and similarly we are going to add Vitara Brezza over here, and we are going to add S-Cross over here. So now if you have a restaurant business, you can use pizza or something that is sold in the restaurant instead of these cars. So we are going to add a button now. So select, same over here, select, and same over here. Select. Perfect. Let's name the cars. This one is Leno. This one is Vitara Brezza, and this one is S-Cross. Perfect. So our users will select a model from them, and now let's create another block. Click on text plus button, and now Chatfuel gives us an option to input date. So that's what we're going to do over here. So click on add content, and we are going to click on date picker, and the button is enter the date. So we are going to edit this, and we are going to write, click on choose the date button to select a date. So what happens is when users see this message, they will be given a button name choose the date from where they can pick a date. So now we are going to connect all these blocks. So book a test drive, click on this button and select this one. So this block has been connected with this block, book a test drive has been connected with this block, and now let's drag it over here. So we are going to connect all of these blocks to this one. Just drag it. Perfect. So now we are going to ask our customers for the contact information. Now we will use customer data from Messenger to generate an auto suggestion for a more personalized experience. Our goal is to limit the number of customers input. The less the customer has to type, the greater the chance they will stick to the end. So we are going to limit to a bare minimum. Just email or phone number or both. So we are going to stick with email. So please right click and choose text plus buttons, and we are going to type thank you, our advisors will contact you with exact booking confirmation. Please type your email ID. Full stop. And please click on add content, and we are going to save user email. You can do the same with phone number as well, and we are going to connect this one. So the user will input the email ID, and then let's right click and click on text plus button. Thank you, your submission has been saved. Our advisors will contact you within 24 hours, and we are going to connect this one to this block. Now we are going to notify the admin about the new booking. Remember, this is a hot lead and this is very important. These are the customers that actually want to book a test drive. So they must be prioritized. So we are going to notify the admin through an email. So please right click and please click on bot action and click on add action, and we are going to notify the admin via email. So click over here, and I'm going to mail myself gmail.com. So you can provide your own email ID over here, and the subject is new booking from and double bracket, and we are going to use the first step. And the body is hi, you have received a new booking from First first name and last name for the and we are going to auto populate using date. Please contact them immediately on, and we are going to auto populate by email. Perfect. And we are going to connect this bot over to this one. So that's all for this task. In this task, we build the book a test drive section, and in the next task, we will build the claim offer section. We are going to test this flow and connect to the Google Sheets in the final task. See you in the next task.